What's up guys, it's Nevs with yet another video, and today we're gonna unbox the limited edition Diablo 4 Steelseries collection. For those who aren't familiar with Diablo 4, it's a multiplayer RPG game which just got released last June 5. And I'm really excited to unbox this thing because Steelseries has always done such a good job with these limited edition collections. I remember back in college, I had one of those old Steelseries Siberia CSGO collection headsets. And for the longest time, they were my favorite. Alright, let's get started and unbox this thing. First off, looking at the box, you can see the different classes here on top, the Diablo logo in the middle, and also the Steelseries, Blizzard, and Control Freak logo. Let's open this bad boy. Ooh! Welcome to hell. If hell is this nice, sign me up any day. I'm just kidding. Okay, so at first look, we can see there's a headset, a mouse. We got a Diablo 4 t-shirt with the Steelseries logo at the back. Ooh. So since this is Steelseries Diablo 4 collection video, let's change it to this real quick. Alright, looking good. Next off, we got the Steelseries RX5 wireless. Again, this is a limited edition of the mouse and it includes an exclusive in-game item. Okay, let's open up this bad boy. Here's the mouse itself. As you can see on top, it has a Diablo 4 logo. It comes with 9 programmable buttons and it's actually pretty super light. So this mouse can be either used through its wireless connector or through Bluetooth, which you can switch back and forth from here at the back. The left one is for Bluetooth, the right one is for its wireless dongle. And to turn it off, you just switch it back to the middle. Pretty neat, I must say. What else comes in the box is this. This is the included game item, a manual. Here is the braided cable. Comes as a USB-C, and you can also see the Steelseries logo here placed. And when you open this, you will get the wireless connector here. You can see this in USB-C, and you will just connect this here and to the wire. Not gonna lie, I kinda dig this mouse. I also really like the matte finish of this mouse. So for people with sweaty hands like me, cause I'm sweaty at the game, you know, this should be a really good mouse. Next off, we got the Control Freak Performance Thumbsticks. So this one is for Xbox. Unfortunately, I don't have an Xbox controller, but when using these, it improves your grip and control. So for all the controller players out there, this might be for you. I believe there's also a PS4 or PS5 version of this, so you might wanna check that out as well. Okay, let's move on. I wanna save the headset for last, because you know, always save the best for the last. Let's move on to this thing right here, the QCK mouse pad. I really love the design on this. So as you can see, here's Lilith from Diablo 4, and at the back we can see the non-slip base with the Steelseries logo on it. Now for the main attraction, we got the Arctis Nova 7 wireless. So apparently you can use this for PC, for PlayStation, for your Switch, or even on mobile. Again, this is a limited edition headset which includes an exclusive in-game item. Wow, it's such a beauty, and it's pretty light as well. We got the Steelseries logo here. We got an on or off button for our mic right here, a volume wheel. Here is our Bluetooth button and the power switch, and another volume wheel, which I believe is for your controller and your voice chat. And we also got a retractable mic. Let's try this on. Oh, it's actually pretty light. It's large enough as well. I have big ears, so it's pretty comfy on my ears. My only complaint is that it feels a little bit tight on top. Because I have a big head, you can actually also change this. You can move this thing around. And boom, problem solved. Just move this thing around, which is actually a really nice feature. So you can decide if you want to have it tight around your head or much more loose. And this headset is advertised to have 36 hours of battery life. But what I really like about this headset is that it takes only 15 minutes to charge for 6 hours of use. So if ever you run out of juice during a game, you can just charge this thing for 15 minutes and you're good to go for another 6 hours. Let's check what the other accessories are inside here. We got a USB-C extension cord, a 3.5mm cable for those who want to use it wired for their phones or their controllers, another USB-C cable, and here we got the wireless receiver, which comes in USB-C by the way. And we also get this card where we can redeem our exclusive in-game item in Diablo 4. Alright, now that we've unboxed everything, which item is your favorite? Personally, I really love the Arctis 7 wireless because Steelseries always has done such a good job on their headsets, and I really dig the wireless and Bluetooth connectivity on this one. So how about you guys? Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more videos in the future, please subscribe to the channel. And again, thank you Steelseries for sending me this awesome collection over. I will be doing an in-depth review on the RX5 and the Arctis 7 wireless in the future, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!